Guillermo, I don't speak English, but I try to speak English all the time for you, yeah? When we say paella, paella is the pan. But when we say rice, it's into this pan. When we say Valencian paella, never say paella, it's because we use different ingredients for that. Do you have problem with rabbit?
No. It's delicious.
The best part is the liver. I have here the chicken. The most traditional vegetable of the paella is this, pachoqueta. We use the knife or your hands. This is the perfect size for Valencian paella. You work very well. The other vegetable we use into the paella is this. We need to peel. We crack this, then we peel, and then we are going to use only the lima beans or butter beans, the large beans.
Sofrito time.
Tomato puree, sweet paprika, smoked or not smoked. Use the saffron like this directly, or I prefer to use like this. 300 milliliters of olive oil per kilo of rice. Don't worry about the quantity of salt. I'm going to turn on only the fire in the middle. We want high temperature. Then when I flip, then I put the rabbit, not before. Fry al dente. You put like this. Wow. It's very easy to fry. It's important for us to use tap water because this tap water is not perfect, but it's perfect to cook. We put this. If I put 1 kilo, I put 3 liters of water.
The flavor is now.
We need 15 minutes to prepare the stock. Now that's perfect to use, yes? Arroz redondo.
Make it rain.
You play like this, rice all around the meat, all the vegetable all around. If I check this and I don't have rice here, it's possible to put like this. Solo un poquito. It's perfect.
Yeah.
I say when we prepare the paella, we say 8 minutes in high temperature, 8 minutes in low temperature, and to prepare the socarrat, 1 minute more in very high temperature. Wow. You put this on the top. Right.
Yes. Wow.
This is the best part, eh?
This is the best.
It's lovely.
Right now it's kind of like being